Today, we're not just cooking with cauliflower.
We're frying it up.
Yeah! Soft on the inside and super crispy on the outside.
Oh, then topped with some coarse sea salt, fresh parsley, and a squirt of lemon juice.
It's a perfect appetizer or side dish for your holiday table.
Or both. Both.
Yeah. Right, for both. That's right. It's so good you're going to want it for everything.
It's so good.
Yeah. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My holiday loving Loon.
That's right.
That's right.
I love it.
So did you pick up? It's the holidays. And today we are making a traditional Hanukkah dish.
I don't know. Is it traditional?
It is. I mean, our beautiful, fabulous Jewish friends can correct anything that we say that we're doing or saying wrong. We're not Jewish, but we love the Hanukkah celebration.
And I love the Hanukkah food because it's all about oil.
I know. Oil's an important part of this holiday, and so is fried food. So,
yes.
So we're doing, this is a popular dish from my research that it's a Sephardic Jewish dish.
Which is Spain
and Portugal.
And Portugal, yes.
Yeah. And
I was trying to say Spanish and Spain.
Yeah, and it didn't quite come out
no,
right. So
Spanish.
this is one head of cauliflower that I've just cut up into little florets, and you could use frozen if you want, but go ahead. It's the special time of the year. Go ahead and do a head of cauliflower.
Yeah.
And I added this to, this is a pot of boiling water that I salted liberally before it came to a boil.
Yes.
And we're going to we just want this to kind of start to get soft. And you don't want to overdo it because then you don't want it to fall apart. So it's only going to go about 5 minutes while you make some batter.
Yeah, so we're doing like a flour breading for these.
A breading.
No,
I said a batter, but it's a breading.
Yeah, it's a flour breading. We've got some flour here. How many cups of flour is that?
A cup and a half.
Oh, a cup and a half of flour.
All purpose.
Then we have some really awesome spices. We've got turmeric, which is a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Thanks.
Yep.
I can always rely on Chris.
Well, that's good.
And then we have a teaspoon of cayenne.
Just to give it a little punch. Turmeric is very traditional. Cayenne gives it a little zest. And then we, in honor of our Spanish loving friends, we're doing a little
smoked paprika. This is a tablespoon of that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Flavor.
And then some lemon zest. I've got the zest of 2 lemons here, which I think is like 2 tablespoons.
Traditionally 2 tablespoons.
A teaspoon of salt. No, we're going to do 2 teaspoons because I like it salty.
Yeah, well, it's distributed amongst a cup and a half of flour, so it may seem like a lot of salt, but it's about the right amount.
And then I've got some pepper. That was a teaspoon as well. And I'm just going to mix this all up and have it ready when that garlic. Why do I keep saying garlic?
I don't.
Cauliflower.
You're really all verklempt today.
I know.
Okay, so we're going to let this come back to a boil, and then it's going to go about 4 to 5 minutes, and we're going to keep on going.
Yeah.
Okay, moving right along.
Yay.
So look at this beautiful cauliflower.
That's
got that
good.
Cauliflower smell.
Yeah.
It kind of goes away after you cook it. But anyway, so like I said, we brought that back the water to a boil, let it go for about 5 minutes. Don't overdo it because you don't want it to get crumbly. We drained it, and then I put it. I want it to stop cooking, so I put it into an ice bath. That's important. And then I took it out of the ice bath and made sure rinsed all the water off of it and put them on paper towels to really dry them off. And then just because we like to layer the seasonings as we go, we hit it with just a little more salt. It's not going to make it super salty. We want these things to be
my salt
bursting with flavor. Okay.
All right.
Now, while you're getting ready to do this, let me just say I've got a large skillet here that I've got. So we're cooking with canola oil. You can also, there's so many things to cover here. You can vegetable oil. You can use, I believe, olive oil is
traditional oil.
Although that's a little expensive, and
so we're going canola.
Yeah, we can go canola or vegetable oil.
All right.
Okay, sorry.
So I've got my.
Oh, and I'm going to bring this to 350 degrees.
All right. So I've got my.
Oh, and
I got my flour mixture, and then I've got 4 eggs that I just threw in here, and I lightly beated. I just want to get them all.
Beated the eggs.
Beated the eggs.
Beat the eggs.
Beat the eggs. I baited it. All right. And so now I'm just going to take this cauliflower, get it over here, and I'm going to put it into the flour first. Oh, let's see.
That's
wow.
Flavorful seasoned flour.
Wow, look at that. These are going to have a nice color to them.
They are.
Okay, and I'm just going to coat these with the flour. Get them good and coated, and then I'm going to take them back over here, and I'm going to put them in the egg mixture. And then Chris, oh no, you don't need to help me. You don't want to get your hands dirty, Chris. No, I got it. All right, and now I'm gonna get these, so I'm gonna get messy. I'm gonna get little mittens on my fingers.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get these good.
Try not to touch anything because you are handling raw eggs but that looks good.
Yeah, I'm not touching anything else except for cauliflower.
That's right. We've done this. We've been playing with this recipe for a while now. For several years. And some folks, when they do this, the next thing that they put it in are breadcrumbs,
yeah.
and that's really delicious too. But we like the extra crunchiness that you get from putting it back in the flour.
Oh, I love this. Some people actually use cauliflower to do latkes with.
Oh yes. The latkes are another. Obviously, another delicious dish. We love them year round, but they're very popular during the Hanukkah season, and we have a great recipe for them.
And I put them back here into the flour to get them a good coating, and then I'm going to hand them off to Chris.
Yeah, just put them. We'll put them right here, and then we'll.
Hold on.
You're going to obviously need to do this in batches.
Yeah. All right. Take these out, and then I'm going to finish up the rest of this cauliflower.
Perfect. Okay, you've definitely got mittens.
I got mittens, y'all. All right, here, I'm going to take these, Chris, and I'm just going to drop them right in there.
Now, be super careful. Right, be careful.
I'm done.
I know. And I'm going to drop
these might stick together, so you might
That's all right. I know. You're going to want to use like something that can...
Ooh, look at my mints, y'all.
Like a spider like this, or a couple of forks, just to kind of help, like Wesley said, you want to move them around in the oil so they don't stick together.
Here. This always happens when we're doing, what's the other one?
Chicken fried steak. I know. Well, we fry it a lot. Okay, so these don't take a long time. They're already starting to get beautiful
look at
fried.
those.
I know. So we're going to let these go for just probably 4 minutes. And
I'm going to clean my mittens.
You're going to clean up. We're going to do the rest of these, and then it's time to eat.
Yes.
Okay, before we eat them, I wanted to show you guys, I got excited, what these look like. So these have been going for just a few minutes, probably about 3.5 to 4 minutes. And they're just golden.
Those are gorgeous.
So crunchy and so just incredible. I just love them so much. I'm always, every time we make these, I'm like, why are these not more, like you'd think here in Texas, they'd be like at the state fair.
And put some honey mustard sauce on there.
I know it. All right, we're going to finish. We're putting these on some paper towels just to let them drain.
Let me show everybody really quick.
Okay.
Look at those. Aren't those looking good? All right. Anyway.
Okay, and then we're gonna fry up the rest, and then we're gonna eat. I am just in awe of these. I'm telling you.
Those are gorgeous.
Beautiful. So we're gonna not sample one because I want to have the big moment. But you try one to see what your salt level is. But I would like to just top it with a little finishing salt.
I love some salt.
Yeah, I know. Yes. And then we got some fresh parsley.
Look at that, y'all.
It's such a beautiful, beautiful dish.
That doesn't look like cauliflower. It looks like little chicken nuggets.
I know.
Now we're gonna add some lemon. Make sure, Chris, you don't get those seeds in there. These are seedy lemons.
Yeah, as they tend to be. Lemon is really an important.
These are big ones.
Yeah, an important part of this cauliflower. So don't skimp on the lemon.
No,
it adds a lot of flavor. Okay, we are ready to dig in. Wouldn't this be?
I've got a fork.
Well, thank you. I do too now. Okay. This is a nice big one.
Ooh-wee, y'all.
That looked good.
Oh, I hope you guys can see all that.
The flavor. I'm telling you.
That's amazing.
It really is.
That is so good.
So flavorful. And I love.
Who needs a holiday for this?
Well, no, really, make it year round.
In Texas, this fried food. Come on.
I know. I gotta have more.
Y'all.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all need to make these. Hold on. I need to make sure of my rating.
Yeah. We can sit here. This serves a nice family feast coming over, or Wesley and I.
Those are 100,000% Loon approved. Those are so good.
So happy holidays for those of you who observe the holiday this time of the year. Happy holidays to you. Happy Hanukkah.
Happy everything.
Happy everything. Happy love. Let's hope for peace throughout the world. Bye, everybody.
Fry up some food.
Make fried cauliflower.